Hopefully this will be short and sweet, and we'll just crank this baby over. Well, we're not going to crank, but we're going to turn the thing. I haven't been out here since Monday, I think. It's now Saturday. My friend David pointed out quite helpfully that I've got the spark plug in there, so I'm trying to turn this thing against the compression cycle, and I'm not going to get away with that. So I'm going to take the spark plug out so that I'm not trying to compress in there. But I'm also going to use this straw here and this blower to blow out inside there and get any extra stuff in the cylinder area, like if there's a puddle of PB Blaster in there, to get it out. Step 1, remove spark plug. Drop it. Okay. And now it's a matter of it turns. Been sitting up there for a few days with PB Blaster. So, let's see what we got. Nope, doesn't feel like it. Nope, not wanting to give it all. Okay, I'm going to get an extension bar. Does not feel like it's going to give in any way. Feels like I'm going to bend the rebar, actually. I'm going to lower this down off the jack. Yeah, I'm bending the rebar. Okay, that was some movement. Okay, it just got past the break point there. I did bend the rebar. Put this out of here. Oh, that's interesting. It keeps getting tighter. Put a little PB Blaster in there. Oh, okay. When it goes over, the piston goes over the top and over the bottom. That's when this can move without really moving the piston. The arms at the bottom of the piston are just going this way instead of up and down. So that's what this free spot is. Okay, I'm going to take this thing off because it's in the way. Because now we got to start the piston on the way down again. also notice my starter is not engaged, so I can go backwards. Woo! Look at that. Although not quite with the effect I expected. Huh. Interesting. Every time I go backwards, it comes forward less. As far as I can get this bar because of this stupid thing. Now we'll have to go to the screwdriver, see how far I can get with that. There's too much stress still to expect the starter to turn this thing. Oh, no. That's going to mess that up again. Ha! I was hoping that second stuck point would be the end of it. But I guess I got into the second stuck point and haven't gotten out of it. I need to think. So break time. The same scenes were repeated many times over the next 5 hours. We'll just take a quick skim through and then jump ahead to the end. Now it's good and stuck again. Huh. I wonder if the crankshaft broke. Or if this is stripped off of the crankshaft. Oh God. Okay. Well, there you go. That's it. If anybody can suggest anything, please do so. Because I'm thinking at this point that something's busted inside and jamming it. Because this thing wanted to come up rather than go around. So something's jamming in there. No starter, sure as hell going to take care of that. So we'll call it a wrap there and tell me something in the comments. Happy day to you.